You can do this at the comfort of your home.
If you want to know how I made this luxurious and creamy face and body scrub that feels like a spa treatment right at the comfort of your home, make sure to stay tuned. In just a few minutes, I will walk you through the simple steps using ingredients you already have in your kitchen and bathroom. Oh, it's Rita, baby. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rita. Today I'm thrilled to share my recipe for a luxurious creamy face and body scrub that you can make right in the comfort of your own home. This scrub not only feels amazing, but it's made from natural ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen and bathroom. Let's get started with the ingredients. You will need coffee, brown and white sugar, coconut oil, a bit of shower gel, fresh lemon juice, and honey. Each one of these ingredients has its own unique benefits. Coffee acts as a natural exfoliator and helps wake up your skin. Brown and white sugar works together to smooth and soften. Coconut oil deeply moisturizes, lemon brightens the skin, and honey gives a natural glow. Together, they make the perfect scrub that will leave your skin feeling soft and smooth and rejuvenated. Now that we have everything ready, let's start mixing. I've found that if you prefer a thicker consistency, adding a little extra sugar works wonders. You can adjust it to your own preference. This scrub is so versatile. Now that I've combined all the ingredients together, I went ahead to start using my hand mixer to blend all the ingredients until it's perfectly creamy and luxurious. You can see it really start to come together into a smooth, thick texture that feels amazing on the skin. If you don't have a hand mixer, don't worry, a whisk will work just fine too. It's all about blending it until it's just right for you and giving you that luxurious creamy texture that we all want. Look at how creamy this is looking right now. It's just giving me this chocolatey caramel color. I so much love this. So I went ahead and poured this into some jars that I'll be using. So this will last me for like um 2 weeks. Yeah. So you can make as much batch as you want. It doesn't get spoiled. Now I'm going to apply this on my skin for you to see how. Look at how it feels. It feels so good. I mean, it also moisturizes the body, as you can see. And there you have it, a
Okay.
quick, easy and affordable scrub that you can use anytime you want a little extra pampering. It's gentle enough for your face but also effective as a body scrub.
So guys, this is my face after using this creamy luxury scrub on my body. I've been using this for quite a while now, and it is really amazing. It leaves my skin so soft and silky. Just I have no makeup on apart from my lip gloss, of course, but no makeup, and just look how glowy my face is. So just give this a try and tell me what you think about it. You can do this at the comfort of your home. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much. And for those who are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and give this video a thumbs up. And see you in my next one. Bye. So guys, this is my face after using this creamy luxury so guys, this is my face after using this creamy, what do you call it again? What do you call it again? Skin scrub. Yeah. So guys, this is my face after using this um creamy luxury